Alright, vatos, just bringing you guys a quick unboxing of the one finger clutch lever here that we have. So I've been having some issues with my left hand. I do a lot of city riding, so I always have my hand on my clutch, on my clutch lever. So I started noticing this pain from here all the way up to my to my ring finger, I guess. Is that what you call it on this hand? Yeah, I think it is. So I've just been having this pain. Of course, I work on a computer all day, and then I come home and I edit videos. So maybe you're out there wondering, hey, what can I do to relieve this pain? I do have a Mototech Elite Mototech lever on my Lowrider S. So I've been wanting to try this one out for a long time now, and I figured, you know what, this might be a good time to give this one a try, see what this is about, and compare it against my Mototech, since I've had that for about a year and a half, I believe. I've had it for a while now. So, you know, I got this pretty quickly. They're based out in Texas. I ordered it directly from One Finger. And you might be wondering, why use this? Why you know, go with this instead of swapping out my clutch? I think I went with this just so I could, like I said, so I could compare it against my Mototech Elite, my Elite Mototech. And some of you guys probably have, you know, high performance builds or high performance engines on your guys' Harley. You guys might have a 124 kit, maybe a 131, and you need a heavy clutch for that performance. So then I figured, you know what, this might be your only option, since you don't want a lighter clutch, you want a heavy clutch. You know, the only thing to do is you know, get one of these One Fingers. This is supposed to relieve 30% of that strain of that clutch, so it's supposed to make it a little bit easier compared to my Mototech Elite and the stock. It is a huge difference. It's a difference of night and day. So we're going to be looking at the back of this real quick. Installation, I guess they have a video in case you guys were wondering. There's the QR code. This does come, this is the universal Harley lever. This is the universal one, so it comes with the quick clamp, which is a 1-inch. All right, that's what you guys need for a Harley Davidson. I've been looking for these on Amazon. I found a few for like $20-30, but that's the 7/8 size. That's mainly for your metrics and some of your metrics, not all your metrics. You know, you guys want to measure your handlebars, but mainly for you know, dirt bikes. I believe it's 7/8 if I remember right. So those do not fit, or 3/4. They don't fit on a Harley controls, because Harley controls, or most Harley handlebars are 1-inch, or the hand controls. The hand controls are 1-inch. So just keep an eye out for that. And I, you know, just searching. I wanted to go with an Amazon cheap option, but I couldn't find one. So here I am. If you guys know one, please leave it in the comments. Maybe I could probably, I don't know, I mean, but I don't think I'm gonna do this again. But so we have a neutral safety switch, which is different from my, here, let's open it. It's different from my Mototech Elite. I believe Mototech, I think they're offering that option now to have that neutral safety switch, which is this little bit right here. So as you guys can see, just this little bit of extra material. This is you guys are probably wondering, why do you need this? This is just, you know, in case you stall the bike out, you know, you're on a hill, or for some reason you stall the bike out and you were at a light. If you were to pull this in, engage your clutch, guess what, your bike's not turning on. You have to put it in neutral and then turn it on, because this is the neutral safety switch right here. This is what you know, lets your bike know that you're either in neutral, or you have the lever or the clutch fully engaged, and that's what lets you turn the bike on. So of course this is for the newer models. The older models, you know, you would hit the the start switch and the bike would kick forward, because you know, you'd probably be in the first gear, or second or third or whatever. You probably one of those gears, and the bike would jump. So that's what that is. My Mototech, like I said, does not have this. I believe they offer that option now, but I'm not 100% sure, so you guys will have to check in with that. I was looking at their website right before I bought this. I believe they're offering that option. Like I said, I'm not 100%. I just read over it real quick. You'll also have the mirror adapter on this, so in case you want to run your mirrors where you want them. I'm actually waiting on some parts for my turn signal light, so I'm also swapping that out because this doesn't have the perch or the little adapter for your signal light at the bottom, so you have to relocate your turn signals, or you would have to get this adapter that I'm waiting on. It's from Drag Specialties. It's about $39. You could also go, of course, to your Harley dealership and pick something up from them. So anyway, same assembly as well, just like my Mototech Elite. Same little assembly. I'm guessing it's the same install process, pretty similar. But yeah, I mean, those are some of the key differences. Like I said, this is the universal Harley one finger lever. This is supposedly a 2-finger. They had a four-finger option. That's no longer available. They discontinued it, so it's not available anymore. The only option you have is 2 fingers. I believe they used to have a 1-finger, but I guess they probably changed that. So I don't know. It looks like I might be able to fit 3 fingers on there. My Mototech Elite is it's a 3.5-finger lever. So that's the neat thing about Mototech. They give you the options of 1, 2, 3. You also have an option for the Milwaukee 8, so you do need a spacer for that. So if you're ordering this for your Milwaukee 8 Softail or your Milwaukee 8 whatever, it does require an adapter, a spacer, and that's also on the option. So when you're ordering it, just make sure you get the proper one. They even have it in the website description that you need to get the spacer if you have a Softail. So this is for my Sportster, not for the Softail. For my lowrider S, this is for the Sportster, so there is no spacer for the clutch cable. And you also get this little sticker from one finger, 1F finger. So neat little sticker. And you get, like I said, you get some tools included, 2 Allen wrenches, and you get that QR code so you could see how it's installed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. Are you guys looking to ease up on that wrist? Give yourself a little bit relief. We're gonna try this out, and then we're gonna compare it to my Mototech. I'm curious about this little neutral safety switch. It looks pretty good. I thought it was gonna be a little hideous piece. I mean, they really cleaned it up. They made it look real nice. So other than that, this whole thing, there's supposed to be like a Japanese seal bearing or something like that. I'll put a title up here, or I'll put some text or something, some other key points. Like I said, I don't plan these videos. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.